All right, M100. At this part, the team got together and brainstormed to find a cracking solution to Bunty's problem. Let me tell you what we did, okay? Simply put, we created Bingo. Now, what is Bingo? Okay, Bingo is a multimedia optimization tool which can be used at a local market level. Now, our existing approaches in media planning is where we prioritize markets and then identify where specific efforts are needed for the brand. But we are constantly challenged when we propose and support multimedia plans. And Bingo addresses this need. What it recommends is the best optimized media mix to address a given marketing objective. The tool parameters which are considered are based on reach, impact, and cost of the medium selected. First is to narrow down our media choices to the most relevant touch points. Just to illustrate, we have malls, multiplexes, radio, coffee shops. Now that we have our mediums, the fundamental challenge is to achieve multimedia optimization. So how are we going to do it? We're going to generate reach curves for each individual medium. We're going to estimate the multimedia reach, and then we're going to allocate budgets to maximize net reach across the mediums. For demonstration purposes, let's take multiplexes. Okay, this is what the standard reach table looks like from our very own TGI. It gives us the reach numbers and the period when the medium was used last. To that, we have to add the frequency. Now, for a 6 months period, it is a fair assumption to make that whoever has visited the multiplex once in the last 6 months would have seen only one movie, and therefore the frequency is 1. That way we populated the entire table. With some simple arithmetic, we can generate the maximum reach and maximum GRP for multiplexes. GRP is the sum of reach into frequency, and the net reach is the sum of the reach column. But this is only one part of the story. The real mathemagic is in the creation of the cover curves. The estimate from TGI just gives us the maximum reach, but it doesn't tell us what the shape of the cover curve will be all about. Now let's take a typical cover curve. Now, will the medium build reach slowly, like a niche channel, or will it build it rapidly, like a GEC channel? So how do we know whether the correct curve is green, blue, or red? At this point, I'm going to get a little technical, so I need you guys to focus. No falling asleep on me. And I cannot repeat what I'm saying because this is a video recording. So I want you all to wake up, okay, and pay attention. I'm going to introduce the concept of slope. Now, what is slope? Slope is a measure of steepness. Let's take the example of a staircase. Lower the riser, lower the slope. Higher the riser, more steeper is the slope. Now let's arrange the staircases according to steepness. If I were to draw a line across these staircases, you will recognize it as the familiar reach curve. So what I'm trying to say is that to arrive at a reach curve, you need 4 data points. Now with TGI, as you know, we only have 1 data point, which is the maximum reach and the net reach. So it becomes impossible to generate a reach curve using just TGI data. No wonder this is not a popular hobby amongst other media planners. The real mathemagic is in transforming the curve into a straight line. And we've stumbled upon a method by which any curve can be transformed into a straight line and vice versa. The advantage is that even with one slope estimate, we can build a reach curve. Now for one slope estimate, we have to have data on 2 points on the line, and we have that. The 2 points, of course, are 0 GRP and reach, and maximum GRP and reach, which we've got from our TGI data. Along the line, at any GRP level, we can estimate the reach and build a robust reach curve for any medium. See how easy it is to generate curves? And now nobody can complain that there are not enough interesting curves in Group M. Now, how do we estimate the multimedia reach? And I'm going to unveil one more mathemagic. The concept of net reach is very familiar to you media planners, and at some point in time, all of you have solved duplication problems. But the real challenge is when the media is more than 3. What does one do? Introducing the random duplication formula. This formula is very well known in mathematical circles, as say GRPs is well known to you in media planning. We've tested it and it works. And as you can see from this chart, which compares multimedia reach from IRS as what is estimated by the random duplication formula, the differences are really marginal. So this formula is really a robust way of arriving at multimedia reach. And now coming to the third challenge. And really compared to the other two challenges, this is not a challenge at all. It's about getting the costs on board, setting an optimization engine which would allocate the budget to the most cost-efficient reach build-up. So let's get into the tool and discover our solution for Bunty. Come on, Bingo. Just to recap, Bingo is all about multimedia reach and budget optimization. The numbers to input into the tool for each medium are upper level GRP, maximum reach, cost per GRP, and the impact score. Now, what is this impact score? Media inherently has different capabilities of addressing different issues. For example, engagement, interaction, demonstrations. And the impact score is a placeholder for capturing these parameters. So in our example, we have given a score of 25% to search, while malls and multiplex have a score of 100% each. Next is to set the budget. So we press the set budget button and we input the budget into the placeholder provided. Now let's press the allocate button, which you see on the screen. There you are. This is the final output. These pie charts show the GRP and budget allocated across media. This chart shows the buildup of each medium at various GRPs, including the multimedia reach. The bars illustrate the difference in maximum reach that you can achieve with the full budget as compared to the multimedia reach. You can notice that the multimedia reach is higher than the highest possible reach through a single medium. Not only is reach optimized for the budget, you will also notice that the average OTS is a respectable number too. Not too many as radio or search would have given, and not too little like that of a mall. So in this case, for a budget of 20 lakhs, the optimized plan delivers a reach of 80%, OTS of 4, and a GRP of 330. So you see, guys, this tool can be used to address any micro-marketing problem in any market, given any combination of media. And the most important part is that you can start using the tool tomorrow. And you know what? We've already mailed this tool to you. So as soon as you can get hold of your Blackberries or your computers, you can access this tool and start using it. Now that we've got your buy-in, we're going to go and present this tool to Bunty. So wish us luck.